Hubbard and Goodale, David Charles Yellow, 4622, DCY 4622. What's up, man? Shot fired. The white Ford Taurus going south on Hubbard. He shot me, I'm not hit.
Clear white Ford Taurus south on Hubbard.
Coming up the Parkway. He's taking a left on Helen Montgomery. He's a black male driver. He has a handgun. We are still east across Wood on Helen Montgomery. We are speeds of 40 miles an hour. We are still east on Helen Montgomery through Kendall, coming up to Howland. Speed 40. South on Howland. .1170 dispatch, I can hardly hear. We are east on Bowen. Check that west on Bowen.
West on Bowen.
There's a message for you.
Back north on Kendall.
North on Kendall.
Where's my closest unit at?
Where are you at now? Westbound.
North on Kendall, we are passing Roseneath right now, speeds of 70 miles an hour. He's gonna come straight on with me.
There's a message for you.
Parkway, Kendall.
Check that, we're Kendall Roosevelt, he regained control, still north. Coming up to Goodale. We are east on Goodale from Kendall.
Alright, if anybody can take that car out, do it.
There's a message for you.
We are still Goodale at Washington, speed 60 miles an hour.
Behind him on Goodale. Second car. 75 is going to call it out. Northbound Redner, northbound Redner.
.1170 dispatch. Somebody wants to take lead. I can still barely hear my radio.
Go ahead and bow out. Let us pass you. We're northbound passing Coolidge. Northbound Redner passing Coolidge. Northbound Redner passing Coolidge. Check that. We're going to go eastbound Keith. Eastbound Keith. Eastbound Keith.
Take over.
Keep sailing. Black male, black coat, blue hoodie. He's going north. Go north.